So a couple of weeks ago, Maura Yosh and I posted a video and it glitched right around 44 minutes, and I was in the process of sharing with you all from the book by Ronald B. Dixon, which deals with the anthropology of man. And he placed different people groups into categories, and he does some extensive discussion about the modern day Jewish person and their physical representation. Now, his writings are from 1920, and in his writings he states, in conclusion, if, as is probable, the northern Arabs or Bedouin of today are to be regarded as the best known modern representatives from the racial point of view of the very early Semitic-speaking peoples of whom the original Hebrews were a part, then the great majority of all the Jews today are Semites only in speech, and their true ancestry goes back not so much to Palestine and Arabia as to the uplands of Anatolia and Armenia, the Caucasus, and the steppe of Central Asia, and their nearest relatives are still to be found in those areas today. So what I did is I took the images that were not shown and I placed them into this slide. And I also took a portion of the images from Hidden in Plain Sight. And in that book, what I did was I put the images of modern, quote unquote, black people that we know next to a couple of the images that Ronald B. Dixon put in his book, so that you all could see oftentimes our disassociation from who we are is just because we have not seen people who look similar to us from the areas where our people would have been. And so the picture of Morris Chestnut with the Bedouin man, I think, is the most impactful when it comes to visual representation, because once you add the facial hair and the head wrap, you can see that both of those people are from Near East Semitic black backgrounds. And so I wanted to share that with you all. I saw the comments and I wanted to figure out a way to put it together so that you guys could see what wasn't seen and have these images for yourself.